Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is one I haven't seen before, although it looks similar to other washing machines. A very clean Lamona washer dryer. Seems to be all good. I just want to clean the lint filter today and see what's in there, just in case. It's a model LAM8900. You can see that there, and there's a serial number 22405-647-12. That might be 2022, looking at how clean it is, or it could be 2012, but it's really clean. An integrated washing machine with a double skin door. The hinges are present and whatnot. Down here is the filter. This would be behind a fascia maybe if it was in your machine. There's also this plus thing. I'm interested to know what that is. I don't know what that is yet. Let's have a look and see if there's anything in it. Water, clean water, and lots of it. I don't see anything in there. It looks okay to me. So that's how you clean the filter. You tighten it up until that fellow touches that fellow there. That's that job done. A little bit of lint in there, like I don't even mind touching it because it's so clean. Yeah, no noise out of that. This was left out on the street, you know, near my house. I'm guessing those things are to raise and lower the bottom of the machine to adjust it. I think that's what they're probably for. Foot adjusters, something like that, or to adjust the back feet maybe. I might make a video to have a better look at this in more detail, but as for now, that's how you clean the filter. Far too clean a machine to be left out on the street. There's a mystery here somewhere. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.